Here's another poem I wrote October 11, 2025. It's called The Draw of Laziness. How sweet it is to loaf around, slumber in bed, not till the ground. To dream of riches and adventure, never study or hear a lecture. To have your mother serve and bid, who never scolded what you did. Let you have the finer things, to wait on what your life shall bring. To eat until you could no more, to gamble, never keeping score. To rage all night and waste away, to cool in shade in heat of day. Never feel the pain of blisters, be laughed and mocked under their whispers. Never feel the strain of labor, or beg of help from your neighbor. And live each day just like the last, nothing changing, no contrast. Not risk a family or career, avoid the pain, the loss, the tear. Life isn't meant to be this way, selfish and lazy every day. No satisfaction you will find until you leave all this behind. Purpose is forged in the heat of pain, sleepless nights and constant strain. Step back and gaze at what you've made, a legacy that will not fade. We are made in His own image. To be creators is our privilege. To shirk that task betrays our calling, corrupts the soul, in despair falling. So craft with grace, be spirit driven. Your task is set, your purpose given. Reap the rewards these blessings hold, by 30, 60, 100-fold. Amen.